Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's video I'm gonna walk you through how to fix error and issues which you are facing in T-Life app on your device while logging. So to do that, as we know that T-Life helps to manage your account and configure T-Mobile home internet gateway, you might face many kind of errors while logging in. So to fix those errors, you need to simply watch this video. So first thing, you need to ensure that your device is connected to a very stable internet connection, and second there might be various updates on your app. You need to simply go to the app store and search T-Life, and here you can see the app T-Life, and if there are any kinds of updates available in this app, you need to simply update those to fix the login error, or you can simply go to the settings, click on the general. After that, you need to click on the iPhone storage, and after that, this is the very first page, and you need to select the app T-Life which is already installed on your device. And to fix the login error, you need to simply click on the offload app which is highlighted in color blue. After clicking on that, see the reinstall app which is also highlighted in color blue. You need to simply click on that, and you can simply reinstall your app. This is how you can fix the error which you are facing while logging T-Life app on your device. So hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel.